Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the Watch app on your iPhone. Open My Watch and go straight to Sounds and Haptics. Turn on haptic alerts so the watch can vibrate for notifications. Then increase haptic strength. That makes pulses firmer. Once done, enable Prominent Haptic, which gives a pre-alert buzz to catch your attention. Make sure the watch is unlocked while you set this, and keep the iPhone nearby so settings sync immediately to the Apple Watch. Now customize individual apps so vibration applies where it matters. In Notifications, tap an app and choose Custom if you need separate watch behavior versus your iPhone. Make sure Deliver Quietly is off, that silences haptics, and enable Notify on Apple Watch for that app. Once that's set, test with a real notification. If you prefer one app louder, leave that one set to Prominent Haptic while keeping others normal, so important alerts. Finish by checking system-level blocks. Make sure Do Not Disturb and any focus modes aren't silencing haptics. These can override your settings. Restart both devices and confirm watchOS/iOS are up to date, because updates fixed haptic bugs. If notifications still don't vibrate, toggle haptic alerts off then on, test the haptic strength slider, and try unpairing and repairing the watch only as a last resort. One key tip: test the watch's haptic using sounds and haptics to isolate hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.